How to transfer XRP to Tangem Cold Wallet. Follow the instructions. Download and open the Tangem app on your smartphone. Scan your Tangem card using the app to access your wallet. Go to the wallet settings and choose Manage Tokens. Search for XRP and enable it in your wallet. Select the XRP ledger network when prompted. Save the settings and scan your card again if needed. Go back to the wallet overview and select XRP. Tap on Receive to get your XRP wallet address. Copy the XRP address shown or use the QR code. Open the app or website of your exchange where your XRP is stored. Go to the Withdrawal or Send section and paste the Tangem wallet address. Enter the amount you want to send, confirm the transaction, and wait for the XRP to appear in your Tangem wallet. Thank you for watching.